I've not seen this before.
Despite spending more than 2 decades in employment law, attorney George Barron says he's never seen what happened over the holidays at Joriki Beverages near Pittston. The company terminated 229 employees in Luzerne County, and many of them say they never saw it coming.
What I tell folks all the time is that the default position is that employment is at will, and that means an employer can fire an employee or multiple employees anytime for almost any reason.
The Pennsylvania Department of Labor provided Action 16 Investigates with the warn notice sent by Joriki Beverages. A warn notice is a federal law where a company must provide 60 days notice before a mass layoff. But there are some very narrow exceptions to that rule.
There is an exception for a faltering business, where a business is trying to get financing or trying to find someone to take it over or to invest in the company, and those efforts fall through.
In the notice provided to the Department of Labor and the notice of termination sent to the employees, Joriki states the company believed that giving a warn notice would have deterred potential buyers. The phrasing in those letters almost identical to that in the exception clause.
Certainly intentional. It's certainly language that came from their counsel, from their legal counsel, and if it's true, it looks like it may qualify for an exception. But again, it would be the employer's, it would be the company's obligation to prove that.
Despite that, Barron says there's still a small chance for those impacted.
It would certainly be worth the workers' time to talk to somebody, to get more details about the situation, what happened, whether they had any kind of inkling that this may happen, whether there were rumors, whether there were statements made by the company about seeking financing to verify that what the company is saying is true.
The Department of Labor says its rapid response team is reaching out to the company and affected employees to help with the sudden loss of employment. We have reached out to Joriki Beverages for a statement but have yet to hear back. Melissa Steininger, Action 16, Luzerne County.